My name's Bill Rogers, and I'm the president of Keystone Automotive Operations, and I couldn't be happier to welcome you all to 2023 Big Show.
It's important to every small shop to have somebody that you can turn to and depend on to get all the parts that they need to build those cars and make those dreams come true for their customers. Keystone is that partnership to any small shop.
The one thing that unites us all is the love of the automobile. You can feel business being done here. My biggest takeaway from the Keystone Big Show is that the industry is as strong as it ever was.
Honestly, we spent 3/4 of our life building cars with the help from all these people here. They all build some very clever, very cool stuff, and very important group of people. It's so cool to have a new Jeep, and look at the stuff these guys are selling for that. It's just amazing. The sky's the limit, and they've done a great job.
This blew all my expectations out of the water. It's a great show to be at. You can really get a lot more personal connections and network a lot more. And it's a lot easier to spread your brand and find people that are willing to help and really connect.
It's like a mini SEMA. And there's a lot of people that are just coming around and just really get to be one-on-one with the consumer and the customer and really get to talk about the vehicles. I'm a truck guy, and Keystone sells a lot of truck and off-road accessories. They actually have a new products display over behind us, and I get to see some of the cool things. Really nice.
This has been a fabulous event. It's been a good experience here. When you think about all the things that we do to entertain our customers, they do appreciate it. I've gotten great feedback from that whole session that we did, because it's our core customers. They do build vehicles, and they do run a business, and they do really relate when someone comes in to talk about those things specifically. So it's been very good 2023 Big Show, and we are looking forward to being back at it again next year in another great location.